Close your eyes and imagine a world where your wildest dreams aren't just dreams, but exciting adventures waiting to happen. In this incredible world, you have the power to become exceptional at the things you love and build a treasure chest of wealth doing what you're passionate about. It's not the stuff of fairy tales, it's the real world, and you have a front row seat to claim it. In this world, there are amazing skills that act as your superpowers. Skills that aren't just for grown-ups, but for anyone, including you, to understand and master. Think of these skills as the keys to unlock the doors of success in your journey. They are like superpowers because they can help you conquer challenges, achieve greatness, and turn your dreams into a vivid reality. So, gear up for this thrilling adventure. Join us as we venture into 8 extraordinary abilities, each explained in a way that's easy to grasp. These are your secret superpowers, and they will be your guiding stars, making your journey towards success not just rewarding, but incredibly exciting. 1. Discipline. Discipline is a bit like having a plan and sticking to it, even when there are a million tempting distractions. Imagine you're putting together a giant jigsaw puzzle. When you open the box, you see all those puzzle pieces scattered around, and at first it feels overwhelming. But discipline is your trusty helper. It's what keeps you going, even when you feel like giving up. Instead of running off to play video games or watch cartoons, you stick with it. One piece at a time, you slowly fit them together. It might take a while, but you don't stop until, ta-da, the puzzle is complete. That's discipline. It's about staying focused on your goal, whether it's finishing a puzzle, acing a school project, or achieving something you really want. 2. Spotting opportunities. Spotting opportunities is like having a magical treasure map that helps you find hidden riches. Imagine you're walking on the beach and you see a shiny seashell peeking out of the sand. While others might just walk by, you pick it up. To your amazement, it turns out to be incredibly valuable. Spotting opportunities is just like this. It's about seeing something special when others might not notice it. It's like having a superpower that lets you find chances that can lead to amazing adventures or success. These opportunities can be disguised as challenges, new ideas, or even exciting games. You've got the ability to recognize them and make the most of them, just like a superhero discovering hidden treasures and turning them into something fantastic. 3. Patience. Patience is like a magical cloak that helps you wait for good things to happen without getting frustrated. Think of it like planting a seed in a garden. You give it water, make sure it gets sunlight, and take care of it. But you can't rush it to grow faster by pulling on the sprouts or getting upset. Instead, you wait, knowing that with time, it'll grow into a beautiful flower or a delicious fruit. Patience is about having faith in the process and not giving up, even when things take a while. It's like knowing that good things come to those who wait. This superpower lets you stay calm and focused, whether you're waiting for your plants to grow, your talents to improve, or your dreams to come true. So, just like a superhero, you trust in the journey and the results will be magical. 4. Being responsible with money. Being responsible with money is like being the manager of your own treasure chest. Let's say you receive $5 every week as your allowance. If you spend it all on candies and toys as soon as you get it, you might have fun in the moment, but you won't have any money left for something really amazing you've been dreaming about. However, if you use your allowance wisely and save a little from each week, you'll be able to buy something even more special in the future. It's a bit like taking care of your money as if it were a little plant. By making smart choices and not spending it all at once, you're helping your money grow. Being responsible with money isn't just about saving, though. It's also about knowing the difference between needs and wants. So you can enjoy your candies and toys while still being able to reach your financial goals. Like a wise guardian of your treasure, you'll watch it grow over time, and it'll be there for you when you need it. 5. Using your imagination. Using your imagination is like having a magic wand that can turn your thoughts into exciting adventures. When you close your eyes and let your mind wander, you can become a superhero soaring through the sky, an astronaut exploring distant planets, or even a brave explorer venturing through a mysterious jungle. It's where your creative ideas are born, like the stories you make up, the cool pictures you draw, or the big goals you set for yourself. Your imagination knows no limits, and it's the powerful engine that drives you towards greater dreams and endless possibilities. When you imagine, you're not bound by reality, and you can think of things that have never existed before. It's like your very own superpower for making things happen in the real world. Just like a painter using a blank canvas to create a masterpiece, you use your imagination to envision what you want and set your mind on exciting journeys. So, whether you're inventing a new game, writing a story, or dreaming of your future, your imagination is the spark that ignites all your wonderful adventures. 6. Selling things. Selling things is like telling an amazing story that makes others want what you have. It's not about tricking or deceiving anyone. Imagine you have a fantastic toy and your friend has a cool video game. To convince your friend to trade, you'll explain why your toy is so much fun and how they'll have a blast playing with it. You tell them the story of your toy, and your friend agrees to the trade. That's what selling is all about. Making others see the value in what you have. Being a great storyteller and explaining the cool features of your toy is just like selling a product. It's a way to persuade people that what you're offering is awesome and valuable. Whether it's convincing your friends to trade or selling a product in a store, it's all about sharing the story and showing how it can bring joy or benefit to someone's life. Like a storyteller weaving a tale of excitement, you're helping others see the magic in what you have to offer, making them want to be a part of your adventure. 7. Reading. Reading is like having a passport to countless adventures and a magical key to open the doors of knowledge. When you open a book, you're not just looking at words on paper, you're stepping into a different world. You'll meet interesting characters, explore far-off lands, and embark on quests filled with mysteries and excitement. Books can teach you about all sorts of things, whether it's the secrets of the universe, tales of brave heroes, or the wonders of science. It's like having your own personal library filled with stories, facts, and wisdom. Reading is a superpower because it lets you absorb the experiences and knowledge of countless people throughout history, all condensed into the pages of a book. You don't have to make all the same mistakes or discoveries they did because you can learn from them. Just like an explorer venturing into the unknown, you dive into the world of books, seeking treasure in the form of ideas, stories, and lessons. Every book you read opens up new horizons and makes you smarter. And it's a superpower that can take you on infinite adventures without ever leaving your cozy reading nook. 8. Self-improvement. Self-improvement is like having a magic spell that helps you become better and better at something you love to do. Imagine you really enjoy playing soccer, but you're not the best player on the field. You decide to practice every day, learning new tricks and getting advice from your coach and friends. Over time, you become a stronger and more skilled player. That's self-improvement. The journey of working hard to become the best at what you love, whether it's soccer, drawing, or anything else that makes your heart sing. It's like leveling up in a video game, but in real life. Each day, you're getting a little bit better than you were yesterday. You're not competing with others, you're competing with yourself, trying to surpass your own limits. Just like a superhero who never stops training and learning new skills, you keep pushing your boundaries. You know that there's always room for growth, and it's this constant self-improvement that can turn you into a master at your craft. Whether you're passionate about playing music, painting, or even making cool inventions, self-improvement is your superpower for becoming extraordinary at what you love. With these 8 superpowers in your toolkit, the world is yours to conquer. Each skill is like a beacon of light that can help you navigate through the twists and turns of life. Just as you practice your favorite video game, ride your bike, or learn new tricks on your skateboard, you can practice and master these skills in your everyday life. Whether it's the power of discipline to stick to your goals, the keen eye for spotting opportunities like a seasoned treasure hunter, or the patience to watch your dreams grow and bloom like a beautiful flower, these abilities are your allies in your quest for extraordinary adventures. Your imagination, coupled with a commitment to self-improvement, can take you to places you've never dreamed of. So embrace your potential, keep practicing, and remember that you have all it takes to become a real-life superhero in the extraordinary story of your success. The world is out there waiting for you to shape it according to your vision. And with these superpowers, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Your adventure is just beginning.